Good morning, guys. This is Phon-Er Gold. I'm just leaving the coffee bean right now. It's a beautiful day. It's already 84 and it's just 12 right now. And got my coffee, Americano, just to get my boost balanced. And I'm heading out to not Echo Park. I think it's like Echo Park or Glendale, California. It's in between there. It's on York and Vertigo. And we are heading to fix an iPhone 6 for Yelp customer that just called us like a half an hour ago, and she said she needed immediately, so I told her that I'll be there at 12:15. So looks like I'm gonna get there around that time, so we should be fine in time. I hope you guys are having a great, awesome day. Summer is beautiful, isn't it? And that was a question, and almost like a rhetorical question. Meaning, yes, it is. And yeah, so hope you're having a great summer and it's a beautiful day or evening, summer evening. And I will see you guys soon with the repair, and we should see how it goes. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Peace. Cut. Alright. Gold out. Hey guys, we just got here at Avenue 40. It's like York, Echo Park area, and I think it's called Eagle Rock. That's what I just remembered. So we are here. See you inside in 2 seconds. Even sales, even out. It's cool. Yeah, I was gonna say. And it looks like this thing has been changed before. Yeah, I can notice because of the screen being not a quality screen. You notice that it's changed. Otherwise, when it's the original screen, it doesn't, like, lines don't really come that quick.
Do you take Square Venmo?
Yeah, actually I have a Square. Oh, you use Square?
Or I can give you my card.
Do you use Square Cash App? Square Transactions? You're talking about this one, right?
Yeah, I can pay you on that.
Oh man, this is so awesome.
You want to charge me right now?
Yeah, just
Here, let's charge me and I can...
yeah, I'm gonna do this. Here's all y'all.